Senior Project Manager with King Innovation, and today we'll be talking about locating two-wire decoders with the King AL wire and valve locating system. The King AL locator can be used to locate lost decoders on two-wire irrigation systems. At the controller, disconnect one wire from the controller. Connect the red lead from the King AL transmitter to the disconnected wire. Insert the ground stake into the earth. Connect the black lead from the King AL to the ground stake. Power on the King AL transmitter and adjust the power level until the meter is 4 or greater. Power on the King AL receiver and begin locating along the buried conductor. When the receiver is directly above the buried conductor, the King AL receiver will indicate a null signal. When the receiver is on either side of the buried conductor, it will indicate a peak signal. As you are locating, it is helpful to mark the buried conductor's location. When the King AL receiver is directly above the decoder, the signal will change from null to a strong peak. Once past the decoder, the receiver will go back to a normal null signal. It is helpful to retrace your steps and mark where the strong peak signal is to indicate the decoder. To learn more information about the King AL or other King Innovation products, visit us online at kinginnovation.com. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.